Hi, Anna. How are you?
Hi, Mike. I am not so good. I lost my money.
Oh no. That's terrible. When did you lose it?
I lost it yesterday. I was at the mall. Do you think I can find it?
Maybe. Did you check all your pockets and bags?
Yes, I did. It's not there. What should I do?
Did you ask the mall's lost and found?
Yes, I asked them, but they don't have it. Should I do anything else?
Did you talk to the mall security?
Yes, I talked to them. They didn't find anything. Do you think someone took it?
It's possible, but don't lose hope. Sometimes people return lost items. How much money did you lose?
I lost $50. It was all the money I had with me. What should I do now?
Maybe you should go back to the places you visited in the mall and ask if anyone found it.
Yes, I will do that. Thank you, Mike. Do you think I should report it to the police?
Yes, you can report it. It's always good to let them know. Have you lost anything before?
Yes, I lost my keys once, but I found them later. Have you ever lost anything important?
Yes, I lost my wallet once. It was very stressful. Did you have any important cards with the money?
No, just the cash. I am more careful with my cards. Do you think I should tell my parents?
Yes, it's good to let them know. They can help you. Do you need any money right now?
No, I will be okay. I have some money at home. Thank you for your help, Mike.
You're welcome, Anna. I hope you find your money soon. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you, Mike. I have to go now. See you later.
See you, Anna. Take care and good luck. Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What's new with you?
I bought a new car.
Wow, that's great. When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday. I am very excited. Do you want to see it?
Yes, I would love to see it. What kind of car is it?
It's a Toyota Corolla. It's very nice and comfortable. Do you like cars?
Yes, I love cars. What color is your new car?
It's red. I think it looks very stylish. Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a blue Honda Civic. I like it very much. Did you buy your car from a dealer?
Yes, I bought it from a dealer. They were very helpful. Do you think it's a good choice?
Yes, Toyota cars are very reliable. Do you plan to go on a road trip?
Yes, I want to take a trip next month. Do you like road trips?
Yes, I love road trips. It's fun to see new places. Where do you want to go?
I want to drive to the mountains. The view is beautiful there. Do you have any suggestions?
Yes, you should visit the national park. It's very nice. Do you need any help planning your trip?
Yes, that would be great. I need to find good places to stay. Do you know any?
Yes, I know a few good hotels. I can give you the information. Are you excited about your new car?
Yes, I am very excited. It's my first car. Do you remember your first car?
Yes, my first car was a small hatchback. I loved it. Do you have everything you need for your car?
Yes, I bought some accessories and a car cover. Do you have any tips for a new car owner?
Yes, make sure to do regular maintenance and keep it clean. It will last a long time. Can we go for a drive sometime?
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Lisa.
See you, Tom. Have a great day.
Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Are you going to the meeting of classmates tonight?
Yes, I am. I am very excited. Are you going?
Yes, I am going too. It will be nice to see everyone again. What time does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m. Where is the meeting?
The meeting is at the Riverside restaurant. Do you know the address?
Yes, I have the address. Do you need a ride?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you. What are you wearing to the meeting?
I am wearing a blue dress and black shoes. What about you?
I am wearing a white shirt and black pants. Did you bring any old photos?
Yes, I brought some photos from high school. Did you bring any?
Yes, I brought a photo album. It will be fun to look at them together. Do you think many people will come?
Yes, I think many classmates will come. It will be a great reunion. Do you keep in touch with any classmates?
Yes, I keep in touch with Tom and Lisa. Do you keep in touch with anyone?
Yes, I talk to Sarah and Mark sometimes. What do you remember most about school?
I remember the fun times at the school dances and football games. What about you?
I remember the field trips and the school plays. Do you miss school?
Sometimes. I miss seeing my friends every day. Do you miss school?
Yes, I miss the teachers and the fun classes. Do you think our teachers will come to the meeting?
Maybe. It would be nice to see them. Do you have any plans for after the meeting?
No, I don't have any plans. Maybe we can go for coffee after the meeting. What do you think?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. We can catch up more. I have to go now. See you tonight, Emily.
See you tonight, Jake. Have a great day.
Hi, Mia. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. I have something exciting to tell you. I want to be famous.
That's amazing. How do you want to be famous?
I want to be a famous singer. I love singing. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Do you sing in a band?
No, I sing alone. I practice every day. Do you think I can be famous?
Yes, I think you can. You have a great voice. Do you write your own songs?
Yes, I write my own songs. I also play the guitar. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. Maybe we can play together sometime. Do you perform anywhere?
Sometimes, I sing at local events and parties. Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I love concerts. They are very fun. Have you ever performed at a concert?
Not yet, but I hope to one day. Do you think I should start a YouTube channel?
Yes, that's a great idea. Many people become famous on YouTube. Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch many music videos and tutorials. They are very helpful. Do you follow any famous singers?
Yes, I follow many singers. My favorite is Taylor Swift. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. He is very talented. Do you think it is hard to become famous?
Yes, it can be hard, but if you work hard and believe in yourself, you can do it. Do you have a plan?
Yes, I plan to record my songs and share them online. Do you think people will like my music?
Yes, I think people will love your music. You are very talented. Can I hear one of your songs?
Sure, I can sing for you now. Do you have any advice for me?
Just be yourself and stay positive. You will do great. When can we hear your music online?
I hope to share my first song next month. Will you support me?
Yes, of course. I will tell all my friends to listen to your music. We should celebrate your dream.
Thank you, Mia. That means a lot. Let's celebrate soon.
Yes, let's do that. I have to go now. See you later, Jake.
See you, Mia. Have a great day. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, John. I am not feeling well. I have a headache.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning, it's very painful. Do you have any advice?
Yes, you should rest and drink plenty of water. Have you taken any medicine?
No, I haven't. Do you think I should take some?
Yes, you can take a painkiller. It might help. Do you have any at home?
Yes, I have some. I will take it when I get home. What else can I do?
You can also try putting a cold cloth on your forehead. It can help with the pain. Have you eaten anything today?
No, I haven't eaten much. I wasn't feeling hungry. Do you think I should eat?
Yes, you should eat something light. It might help you feel better. Do you know why you have a headache?
I think it's because I didn't sleep well last night. Do you ever get headaches?
Yes, sometimes. When I am stressed or tired. Have you been stressed lately?
Yes, I have a lot of work to do. It's very stressful. Do you have any tips for relaxing?
Yes, try to take breaks and do something you enjoy. Listening to music or going for a walk can help. Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I love music. It helps me relax. I will try that. Do you think I should see a doctor?
If the headache doesn't go away or gets worse, you should see a doctor. They can help you. Do you have a doctor nearby?
Yes, my doctor is close by. I will call if I need to. Thank you for your help, John.
You're welcome, Sarah. I hope you feel better soon. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you, John. I have to go now. See you later.
See you, Sarah. Take care and get some rest.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!